Welcome back to another episode of JB Makes Terrible Life Choices for your entertainment. I have no idea why I make that sound. Um, so, if you saw my other video, I got a 3-pack of dried peppers because I was challenged to eat a ghost pepper, and because I work weekends, I can't exactly go to a farmer's market, and they're not exactly available at like Stater Brothers or what have you. So I had to get dried ones from Amazon. And um, now my friend Chris, who is a fabulous artist, by the way, even if he won't draw me a picture of the love child of Cthulhu and Tommy Wiseau, he said that I should have rehydrated the peppers first because that would make them spicier. However, I want you guys to see me on camera opening these packages. Because let's be honest, um, I could just substitute a jalapeno, and a lot of you probably wouldn't know. I mean, maybe if somebody who's an expert in peppers came along. But yeah, so I'm going to eat them dry, and because of that, I've got water to wash them down, and of course, milk for the suffering. And to help me out today, I'm wearing my Deadpool shirt because it's going to take maximum effort to get this down. Um, Today is a scorpion pepper. And here's the thing, I know that fresh would be hotter. I can't get fresh. So I'm going to try to save a pepper out of each package and see if I can't grow the seeds inside. And if I can, then I will revisit the video with fresh homegrown peppers. If I can't, well, maybe somebody who lives close to Costa Mesa who happens to grow these things will let me have a few. You know, you never know. Um, yeah, so today is the scorpion pepper, which I'm a little worried because this one was sealed. You can see where I tore it. This one was not. It's just a regular Ziploc bag. Um, yeah. I like it says, warning, very hot. Do not eat peppers directly. And wear gloves while handling. Yeah. Um, I like this. The scorpion chili is now ranked as the world's hottest chili. Actually, the Carolina Reaper is hotter. Um, they will make your dish very hot. It is simply painful and lasting painful but delicious. The scorpion has tested to be over 1,200,000 Scoville units at times. Be very careful. A little goes a long way. You will feel like your tongue is stung by a red tail. It may also cause you to have red tail several hours after eating. I said I'd do it. It's stuck in my teeth. It's getting hotter. It doesn't have the immediate reaction of ghost pepper. the ghost pepper, I was immediately coughing and choking. Um, this is a slow buildup. It's a slow burn. And it's still stuck in my teeth. I'm gonna regret this. I can feel it way down in here. It's a good thing I took antacids before this. And Chris, I know you told me that tea would work better than milk, but I'm not making tea for this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Um, okay. Yeah. I'm sweating, and my eyes have turned bright red. And I think I'm going to be sick. I'm going to cut this video short before I throw up. Bye.